Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you guys how to view monthly expenses in Trim. You want a clear picture of your monthly spending habits? Well, Trim makes it super easy to see where your money is going month by month. Here's how to do it. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account using your credentials. And from the dashboard, just tap on the spending summary or monthly overview tab. Here, Trim gives you a complete breakdown of your expenses for the current month. You'll see a pie chart or list that organizes your spendings into categories like rent, groceries, dining, subscriptions, transportation, and more. Each category shows the total amount spent and your percentage of overall spendings, so you can spot exactly where you're overspending at a glance. You can also scroll down to see every transaction that contributed to these totals. If you want to look at a past month, just tap the date selector and choose the month that you want to review. Trim also compares your monthly totals to previous months, which of course helps you to track patterns and to make smarter financial decisions over time. This feature is perfect for anyone trying to build a budget or to reduce expenses or simply to stay more aware of their financial health. Up next, I'm going to show you how to categorize your expenses in Trim for even more accurate tracking. So hit that like button and subscribe and take control of your finances today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.